Hello children, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Divine Public School. Myself Nisha Srivastava. Today I am going to teach you English. In previous video you have learned the E sound words, but today I am going to teach you I sound words. This is your English with Phonics pre-primer book. Children, take out page number 36. The I sound. Read aloud. I-G, ig. P-I-G, pig. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. I-N, in. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. B-I-N, bin. I-P, ip. S-I-P, sip. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-P, dip. I-D, id. H-I-D, hid. L-I-D, lid. K-I-D, kid. Now children, repeat after me and read aloud. P-I-G, pig. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. B-I-N, bin. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-P, dip. S-I-P, sip. K-I-D, kid. H-I-D, hid. L-I-D, lid. This is your English copy. Write I sound words. What is this? Pin. Spelling of pin. P I N. Pin. This is a tin. Spelling of tin. T I N. Tin. This is a bin. B I N. Bin. Lip. Spelling of lip. L I P. Lip. This is a zip. Spelling of zip. Z I P. Zip. This is a bib. Spelling of bib. B I B. Bib. This is a nib. Spelling of nib. N I B. Nib. Lid. L I D. Lid. This is a pig. Spelling of pig. P I G. pig. And wig. W-I-G. Wig. Now children, repeat after me. P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, B-I-N bin, L-I-P lip, Z-I-P zip, B-I-B bib, N-I-B nib, L-I-D lid, P-I-G pig, W-I-G wig. Now it's time for your homework. Learn the spelling of I sound words from your copy and English pre-primer book, which is given on page number 36 and 37. Thank you.